Global One Paradigm Shift launched on June 25, 2012 with a splash page promoting its first business stream, the iGoBidWin penny auction site. 35 days later, its daily web traffic exceeded Verizon.com by 317 points. Why? Because what we are offering is not just another MLM network marketing company. What they've presented was a paradigm shift. Remove your thoughts and ideas of the traditional ways of creating wealth on the internet for the very few. Income for the masses is here. Exclusive patent pending Spinfinity profit pool allowing 100% of its members to get paid. Monthly payout potential of thousands of times per month. Commission overrides down 5 levels, paying 20% on everything they make. If that's not enough, there's more. A massive Infinity 3x10 force matrix with potential commissions from thousands that spill under you. 20% overrides on all people on your 4th level. That's 20% of all their checks. And that's not all. The global profit pool, the rank profit pools, the multiple businesses generating multiple streams of income, and the marketing machine that is second to none, and with all the additional outside streams of income pouring into these massive profit pools, the creation of unlimited income potential is here for you now, right in front of you. Take advantage of this massive growth and position yourself on top of the next household name in the world. Click on the link below this video and secure your spot by signing up as a free affiliate. This will put you in line to possibly join as a founder within the next few weeks. Be one of the first to experience this global paradigm shift, not only in your life but in the lives of countless millions through its humanitarian trust. Change your future, change the world. Sign up today for free by clicking on the link below this video. Official launch is coming soon, so get positioned and become Paradigm Shift. There's no better deal than for free. You will enjoy free training and marketing materials to help you grow your business before it even starts. Click on the link below this video to secure your position today.